Your event landing page can be a great tool for promoting your event and enticing people to register. When you create an event in Constant Contact, we automatically generate an event landing page for you. You can make edits and further customize this default landing page, create your own custom landing page in addition to the default, or deactivate the page if you don't plan on using it. When activated, both the default landing page and any custom landing pages you create can be shared with your contacts. Make sure you get the right information in front of them by following our event landing page best practices. The default event landing page contains a dedicated event block. This block can also be added to any custom event landing page you create. It contains several elements pertaining to the selected event. The selected event appears here in the top left corner. The included elements are the event image, date, title, description, location, date and time, registration button, and price. You can customize it by removing any unwanted elements. For example, you could remove all but the title, description, and register button by clicking on the event block, hovering over each unwanted element, and clicking on the trash icon. The elements within the event block are synced, meaning they pull in the corresponding information directly from the chosen event. For this reason, they're not editable. For example, the synced event image block will always pull the image set for the event itself. Standard blocks can also be added to your landing page in addition to the event block, or to replace elements of the event block if you wish. For example, if you want to swap out the synced event image within your landing page, you could delete the synced image from the template and replace it with the standard image block. Keep in mind that the standard blocks within the event landing page will not automatically update if you change information for your event. For example, if you add a standard text block and use it for the event description in your landing page, it will not update if you change your event description within the event editor. Only the synced event description block will. Additionally, if you copy an existing event landing page to use for a new event, standard blocks will not dynamically update based on the new event selected, but synced blocks will. For example, if you have the synced event link block in an existing landing page, and you copy the landing page to use for another event, the event link block will automatically point to the registration URL for the new event. Therefore, we recommend using synced blocks, particularly if you plan to reuse an existing landing page for multiple events. Making sure your event landing page contains accurate, up-to-date information is a great way to ensure your event is a success.